outstanding arrears.
Child support attorney dropping gems.
Old as, let's say, if you live in a state where child support is at age 18, that child can be as old as 28 and still be collecting arrears, even though dad is retired.
The child is not getting it. The mom is getting it. So
That's exactly, and that's who basically does get it. It's like, it's technically monies that the mother laid out to support the child when the child was underage. She's now recouping through the child support arrears.
What you're saying is she's getting her payback. She's getting paid back.
Right.
Yeah.
Basically, yes.
Yeah, okay, I got it. I understand that now. I mean, she's getting paid back for all the years that she took.
Sounds fair, right?
It does to me,
You
too.
did it all on your own.
Right, and then now, even if the kid is older, you're going to pay me back. That would be me. All right, here's another caller. Hi, good morning. What's your name and what's your question for child support attorney Kathy Middleton?
Hi, Dee Dee. My name is Kiki, and my question was, my baby daddy is in another state, and I'm here, and he has been paid for the last 3 years, and they said it was due to COVID. And what can I do?
Okay, well, if he hasn't paid for the last 3 years, he's in arrears. So, you know, you're right on point with what we've been talking about. You basically, in addition to getting an order enforcing the current support, the basic child support that you're supposed to be getting going forward, you should also be getting an order reducing your arrears to a judgment so that you can get that judgment satisfied. Because right now, for 3 years, you must have at least thousands of dollars, maybe tens of thousands of dollars, depending upon how much is owed. But you're not going to get that satisfied until it's in judgment form. Now, even though he's out of state, it's not a problem because under the Uniform Child Support Act, you can reach into other states and enforce child support judgments. So you need to go back to court.
All right, Kiki, go back to court.
You can run, but you can't hide, niggas.
Phone lines are open for you. Child support attorney Kathy Middleton is here if you have a question. Maybe it's in reference to your son.
I'm not gonna lie, bro. I thank God I was so protective of my seed, so I don't have to end up in this kind of situation to be going through this shit. Like, cause I can't imagine having to go put a middleman, and that middleman being the government in my family business. You know what I'm saying? I'ma act right. So if me and my wife are the part, like, she already knows that that's not even she ain't even have to go through that. She already knows it's gonna be a given that I'm gonna provide for my kids, regardless of who she with or who I'm with, where we at. Like, that's just an understanding. It shouldn't have to involve other people, other systems, other methods that could be goddamn life-changing methods. Like, a nigga miss one payment, there go your license. Or you can have a warrant out for your arrest in some states. Like, shit, that shit can get real. I think, but this is why I practice this is why I preach dick discipline. Dick discipline. Stop shooting up these bitches' clubs if you ain't trying to party. Cause shit, I be damned. As men, we supposed to be the leaders of the community, leaders of the culture. But how can we lead when we can't even control who we getting pregnant? And then we want to bitch and cry and moan and shit. Get on social media and complain about these bitches ain't shit, all they want is your money. But nigga, you knocked her up. So you didn't have the discernment to see what type of woman this was? You didn't vet her before you decided to go raw inside her? Like, these are conversations motherfuckers need to start having.
So everybody's good with child support here in this studio, on this show. But let's go to the phone lines right now to find out what's going on. Alicia, do you have a question for child support attorney Kathy Middleton?
I do.
Okay.
So I have chosen not to have children. And if I ever decide to be somebody's wife, I want a prenup. And in that prenup, I wanted to say that if in fact somebody were to pop up later on during our marriage and request child support from my husband, that I do not have to pay his child support.
Come on!
Alicia, I think that's very good thinking. I think that it is a wise move, but you are protected. Technically, you're not required to pay under the law anyway. Where most wives get tangled up is that they end up with joint assets with the person who owes child support, and those joint assets get attached or confiscated by the court, like in a bank account situation, or if you've got, say, a house that you're sharing, those things can be attached for child support purposes. So at all times, make sure your property is separate when you do get married.
Now, hold on a second.
That's a
Alicia,
gem.
as one woman who
That's a
doesn't
gem. That's a gem.
doesn't necessarily, well, when trying. Why do you not want to have them? Because you've listened to this segment?
So, ladies, and you never know, and gentlemen, if you fear that somebody may be trying to get child support out your significant other, keep separate accounts, keep y'all money separate, keep y'all assets separate. Otherwise, they coming to get your shit.
Right, I appreciate that. Basically, what Alicia said, she doesn't have any patience. That's all there is. She has no patience. All right. Hey, good morning. Who is this?
Lily.
Hey, Lily. All right, so Lily, here's the deal. You're on with child support attorney Kathy Middleton. What is your question?
My question is, my ex, he is suing me for custody of the children, but he has a history of domestic violence. He actually tried to kill me and the children. So I need to know what to do.
Okay, well, Lily, I'll tell you right now that based upon that history, he's not likely to prevail in any case that he's trying to bring for custody. So what you're going to do, or your lawyer's going to do, is make sure that information concerning what happened to you in the past with him is brought to the attention of the court, brought to the attention of the court, of the judge, and made a major part of the case. So that they understand he's not a good person in this
They want us to be
position.
in court with him, and I called his lawyer and told them that we're not supposed to be in court with him because of the domestic abuse. They said it doesn't matter what he did to me. This is his case.
Okay, well, if you've got an order of protection as a stay-away order of protection, the law has to abide by the terms and conditions of that. So you could be allowed to appear telephonically or by Teams, Microsoft Teams, or some other means. Do you have legal counsel?
Not yet.
Okay, so once you have legal counsel, he or she will be able to work that out with his lawyer. Don't let his lawyer push you around.
Okay.
All right.
That's
He also
basically what
hasn't
he's
paid
trying to
child
do.
support at all these whole 11 years.
He hasn't paid child support for 11 years?
Yes.
Okay, you also need to have your arrears reduced to a judgment so that you can go against them and get your arrears.
Thank you so much. You
All
just
right.
made me feel better.
You're welcome.
Thank you so much, Lily, for your call. All right, you
Let's
guys.
hear.
I know. Wow,
That's
this
crazy.
is interesting. You have a problem. I don't even know what else to say.
Why y'all niggas be sitting here ducking that shit, ducking your responsibilities as a fucking man, boy? That shit irks the fuck out of me. Y'all niggas so fucking sorry. Like, nigga, you shot that bitch club up. Them your kids. Take care of your responsibility. I don't give a fuck what that bitch did. What the hell they got to do with your kids? Cap ass nigga.
Well, we want to see what that issue is. Let's go to the phone lines, all right?
Hey, my name is Brandy, and my question is, if I have already filed for child support and he moves back home because he's going to be inheriting his family's estate, what do I do?
Well, hold on a second. What in Bridgerton are we talking about, baby? You said in a state.
But it's a good one.
Wait, hold on. Brandy, he has an estate. Is he British? Where does he live? And they have a lot of money?
From what I've been told.
How much? How much, Brandy? Let's talk about how much you think.
I mean, I know it's, well over probably about 6-7 figures.
Okay.
Wow.
What?
Oh, well, damn.
Brandy, you hit the child support jackpot.
Yes, you did. Ding, 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 ding. Wow.
Exactly. Ring those bells.
All right, so
because under family law, anything that he's inheriting, anything that he's getting transferred to him from family members is considered income for child support purposes. Even lottery winnings are considered income for child support purposes. So what you need to do now is make sure that if you're in court and you're about to have an appearance sometime soon, you need to make sure that the court knows that he's getting ready to inherit the properties, monies, whatever else he's getting ready to get his hands on, so that your child support award would be significantly larger than it otherwise would have been.
Okay.
Congratulations to you. That's all I have to say.
Yes, congrats. Wow. All right. Thank you very much. Wow, thank you for your call, Brady.
Played with the right one.
Yep. All right, let's go and get us somebody else. Hey, good morning. All right, you guys, wait. This is Dion. So, Dion, you're on with child support attorney Kathy Middleton. What is your question?
Yes, I filed for divorce a couple months ago, and I've been with my husband for 26 years. We have 5 kids together, and I have no income from him at all. He hasn't paid anything.
Wow.
And he's not wanting the kids as much either. So what can I do in the meantime? I am still going through the divorce process.
And as part of the divorce, did you ask for interim child support payments?
I asked for child support, and I'm in the process of asking for spousal support as well.
Okay, and it has to be interim support and interim spousal support, meaning that while you're waiting for the final judgment of divorce to be issued by the court, which could be a year from now, in the meantime, you're still getting child support and spousal support because you have 5 kids, which under Texas law entitles you to 40% of his income.
Oh!
Okay.
Fuck!
So that's a significant amount of money that you're not getting.
Shit!
You need to be filing for interim support.
He is self-employed as well, which is another concern of mine because I can't prove his income and I can't have somebody go and get it.
Well, you can't technically prove it in the sense of every dollar that he's making, but what the court can do is move to a speculation as to what he should be earning based upon what similar businesses like his tend to earn, and also based upon his lifestyle. So if he's living in an apartment and paying rent, and if he has a car, if he's taking vacations, you need to be scouring his social media pages to see what he's showing himself doing, because all of that will be able to show the kind of lifestyle that he's living that would afford him an ability to pay 40% of his income in child support. So you're going to have to be a little bit of an investigator here.
I have been. He just furnished his apartment completely with brand new furniture.
Oh, yeah, he
The
got
whole
some money.
apartment.
Yeah, he got it. He has it.
Yeah. Continue. Hold on a second. Dion, do me a favor. Continue scouring his Instagram page. I love the way, look, did you hear how Kathy Middleton said it? You better scour his Instagram page. You know what?
We still share a bank account.
Oh.
What?
He said at 0.
Oh.
But, there's ways I could see what's going on.
Well, you continue
Right.
scouring,
Exactly.
Dion, and give us a call back next week.
Okay.
All right,
Yeah,
thank you very much for your call. Goodbye. Boy, you know what? I love that. Kathy Middleton said you better continue to scour his social media.
All capital letters.
Wow. And scouring
All
sometimes.
capital letters,
Yeah,
right.
and you can lose weight when you're scouring too sometimes. Just for all the ladies.
Bruh, she said if you got 5 kids. No, I think she said 4 kids. Yeah, 4 kids, 40%. Hold on.
Books as well.
Well, they can reach me at www.kathymiddleton.com. That's www.kathymiddleton.com. They can also follow me on Twitter. We do the child support tip of the day and the family law tip of the day, and my handle is Kathy Middleton at Support Law.
All right. I love it. Listen, everybody,
Okay.
get those books. Make sure you follow her. Hit her up. If you have any
Hey, she said 40% of your income could go to child support in Texas, boy. Depending on the amount of kids you got. Hey, man. As always, I appreciate y'all for coming through. Like the video, subscribe. Whenever I hear this child support attorney on, I'm gonna make sure I get that out for y'all. If y'all got any comments, questions, any kind of info y'all need me to try to find out to help y'all out, put them in the comments. Let me know. But hit the like button, subscribe to the channel. Again, I appreciate y'all for fucking with me, and I'll holler at y'all next time.